What's going on, everybody? Country Boy Vlogs here. It's kind of boring, without not playing Xbox for a while. But I'm not gonna stop me from doing that. I'm gonna actually have some fun today. So got my BB gun right here. I'm gonna try and see if I can shoot some birds today. And yeah. So what's going on today? Ain't really much to it. Parents are gone. They went to Pano, my grandma's house. Well, it's kind of my house now because my grandmother died like 6 years ago. So there's a bird right now. Alright. I'm not gonna show you the footage of me shooting the bird because I don't want to get demonetized in case there is blood or stuff like that. And yes, I did just wake up, so I'm gonna go get the ammo for my BB gun. So I'll be right back. Thanks. I'll be back. It'll be like 2 minutes. Alright, so today we're gonna be using, hold on. Today we're gonna be using copperheads. You know, the 1500. There's 1500 of these, but I already used about maybe 3/4 of this, and I should be able to wound them. Don't mind that. That's just a vacuum for the pool. Yeah, let me show you. I don't know what it's doing right now, but it's doing something. But I'm not gonna let that get in my way. I'm gonna just set it down right here. Alright. So let's fill this bad boy up and let's get it to go. That should be good enough. Alright. I'm gonna just sit out here for a while and hopefully I get a bird or two. Yeah. I'm gonna just walk around and see if I can try to see one. Sorry if there's a blur in my camera right now. Yeah. It's better the quality than what I normally use. But sorry for the noise back there. It's just doing its own thing. It's hot outside, so I'm not wearing any jeans right now, as you see. But this is my first BB gun right here. It's a Shotgun Daisy. You can see there's probably a label right down in here, right up here. But yeah, this thing shoots pretty good. I made it to where like the spring feels in this. So when you cock it back, it cocks out really fast. Like you can just do that, like easy and simple. And yeah, that's what I'm dealing with today. I could go get my airsoft gun, but I don't really feel like whipping this and that thing out. I haven't used this in a while, so might as well just bring it out. While I'm waiting for a bird, I might as well just tell you what's going on right now. Well, how should I put this? I don't forgot what I was about to say. You ever have that feeling when you're in class and you're like, hey teacher, I got a question to ask you, and then you just like, she's like, what's your question? And then you're just sitting there and you're like, I forget what I was about to say. There's a bird right there. I almost got him. Thing hasn't been used in a while. Dang, I hit his foot. He fell off the fence and he just swooped on by and he came around there and he just went out. Alright. I'm gonna get a bird today. That's it. Man, that thing is really loud. I'm sorry for that noise. I don't want it to bother you all. So if that's the reason why, I'm just... Hold on. Alright, there we go. I took the battery out of it. Getting tired of that noise. He's back. That bird's back. This thing sucks. It's not like it used to be. Man. Dang, he's gone. I think this has been a long video. 8 minutes. That's long enough for me, but we didn't really get any luck today. So, yeah, it's kind of boring without playing Xbox for a while, you know? Which I'm fine with it. I need to get outside. So, yeah, that's gonna be this vlog for today. Me shooting birds. I'm bird hunting, but I didn't really get anything. I gotta range my BB gun, my shotgun. I gotta range that thing. Yeah, there's the tag right there, a Daisy. Push the flip. All right, well, good trying today. We'll come back out here tomorrow. I might vlog it, and I'm gonna shoot some birds. Again, maybe if I can get lucky, I can find a squirrel, but I doubt it. We're in the neighborhood. Well, it's been your old country boy right here, and I'm signing off. Make sure to like and subscribe. You don't have to, but at least just watch this video. which if you're getting this message, you should be at the end of this video right now. 10 minutes we've been going. So like and subscribe. Please, it'll really help me out. I'm trying to grow this channel. I'm only at 18 subscribers, which that's not bad for a starter, but we're working our way up there. Alright, so signing off. We'll see you later.